Dr. Mugable welcomes you to a new problem set. This problem is related to line coding. I'll have 3 questions for you, so get ready, get a piece of paper and a pen, and let's get started. The first question states, state the name of the following line codes. We have A, B, C, D, E. We have 5 of them. You just need to state the name. Is it polar, on-off, bipolar, biphase, or Manchester? And whether it's return to 0 or non-return to 0. The code is the same for all of them, 10110000, 1110. So just state the name. That's the first question. The second question is, compare code A, which is this one, with code D, which is this one, in all aspects. To help you out, I will list some of them. Compare them in terms of bandwidth requirements, DC content, error detection capability, hardware requirement or complexity, and then synchronization. We have 5 different aspects. The third question is, sketch the bipolar line code for the following data. 11001001. You need to sketch the bipolar line code. You can pause the video now. The next step will be to show the answers. I'm showing the answers now. For the first question, here are the name of the codes. On-off, non-return to 0. On-off, return to 0. Polar, return to 0. Bipolar, return to 0. And the last one is the Manchester code. In terms of comparison, in terms of 5 aspects, I'm now going to show the answer to the second question. Okay, here is code A and code D. Code D requires more bandwidth. You see that the pulse duration is less. In terms of DC content, D has no DC content because the average is 0, while A has got a DC content. Both of them, the first one, A, has no error detection capability, while D has got error detection capability because the pulses here has to alternate between positive and negative. If you get 2 positive or 2 negative consecutive, then you know there is something wrong. In terms of hardware, requires 1 supply for code A, while code D requires 2 supplies because of the positive and the negative voltage. In terms of synchronization, A relative to D is worse, and D is better because a long sequence of 1 will be resolved. And the last problem for question number 3 is to sketch the code. We asked for bipolar, and there is the sketch. 1 should alternate between positive and negative, 0 is transmitting nothing. That's the 3 questions. Please help us with more questions. You can write the questions in the comment section. You can share your questions, and we are going to show them in coming videos. Thank you very much for being good listeners. Thank you for watching. Thanks you for sharing the video and liking it.